Hi guys, Piotr here, this is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. 2022 is coming to the end and it's worth to start to think about the 2023. Today I'm going to talk about my private top crypto pick for 2023. As usual guys, please do your own homework, do your own research before risking real money. This video has educational purpose only. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. All right, well, it's not gonna be surprise. A few of them been discussed through the 2022 by myself already. Well, it's gonna be 2023. It's going to be the very, very challenging year. The central banks hiking, well, we will see when and where we are going to see the turnaround. Well, that's gonna be very, very interesting also from the possible recession on the horizon, and all of that, it's not giving the helping hand to the overall crypto market. Overall market is not doing well. That's another thing. But the same as during the bear market on the stocks, there are few good names you can try to pick and even earn the money while everything else is going down. The same here when it comes to the crypto. I think there might be few names which are worth to consider. One of them is Cosmos. What is Cosmos? Cosmos, the token Atom, is the internet of blockchains, right? It's an ever-expanding ecosystem of interconnected applications and services built for a decentralized future. Well, the thing is, as I mentioned, it was also one of the my favorite pick for 2022. Well, as of now, there are more than 266 applications and services, and the numbers are growing. The digital asset under management here is 54 plus billion, right? Cosmos applications and services connect using IBC, the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol. This innovation enables you to freely exchange asset and data across sovereign decentralized blockchains. Well, at some point there were some rumors that, Chinese, when it comes to the digital yuan, might use Atom as well. During the latest bull market, we've seen strong rally towards 32 plus USD. Well, after strong rejection, we're trading as low as below 7, currently sitting around 9. What I see here and how I would approach this one is very, very interesting. Well, first thing first, either I want to see the same move to the downside, right? When it comes to this weekly chart, that's the consolidation. So either I want to see the same move to the downside, hitting the stops below the latest low with like this, right? So hitting the stops, strong rebound, trying to go higher. That's the approach number one. Approach number two, if we are not going to see lower low with the strong rejection, then I want to see first from here, from where we are, move above this consolidation zone, then retesting 12, maybe even bottom of that consolidation. So something between 12 and 10, but first move above the consolidation. So that's going to be my approach when it comes to the Cosmos. The next one is Ampleforth. Well, this is a rebasing token. They are not very popular lately, but the Ampleforth was one of the first, if I'm not mistaken, and I really, really like it very, very much. The Ampleforth ecosystem is the centralized finance infrastructure powering innovation in money. Ampleforth develops and supports the use of the Foundational building blocks for a new digital economy through its unit of account protocol AMPL, Ampleforth. Its DAO governance protocol, Forth, and its upcoming inflation-resistant store of value protocol. So that's the Ampleforth. Well, it's quite, it might be, at the first look, it might be quite difficult to understand, but just to trying to quickly explain, $1, right, is a base. If we are above $1, then everyone getting piece of the cake, right, adding into the account depends on how many Ampleforth token you have. If we are going below, right, everyone equally to what we have is going to be lower the amount of the Ampleforth token holding in your account. So that's some kind of the cake. Rebasing positively above $1, rebasing negatively, debasing actually below $1. The thing lately looks very positive when it comes to the Ampleforth. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the chart, right? So there you go. So that's the chart. As you can see, we are trying to hold. We are trying to hold lately above $1. Let's have a look what we have on a higher time frame, like weekly chart. Right, let's make it even bigger. That's gonna be better visible. And yeah, let's place the $1 line. And if we are above, right, we are positively rebasing, meaning that the tokens are adding into our account. If we are like here below, then the tokens are deducted. Well, I would wait and see what is going on at the very beginning of 2023. I would like to see debasing, I would like to see move lower, and once we are going to see turnaround, that's when I would join the party. I would look for partial profit taking around 2, and while market is going lower, I would wait with the full profit taking of what was added into my account around 110, 120. Hopefully the move to the downside is going to take some time. So each and every day there are going to be positive rebases. All right, so that's the Ampleforth. The next one I would like to discuss here is Streamr network. Streamr network is a decentralized topic-based publish-subscribe system. Each stream or pub subtopic has its own peer-to-peer overlay network that is built and maintained by a set of BitTorrent-like trackers. Development is still in progress with Brubeck as a current milestone. There are, that's very interesting, 4,587 nodes, meaning that if you have some streamer, you can start to build your node. The max per node is 10,000 streamers or data token, other words. So let me place for you. It's a data token. And what they wanted to achieve is the thing is that currently we are not owning our own data. That's what is their goal. That if you are sharing your data, then you should get some kind of the incentivization. You get some kind of the money while you are sharing your data. Well, when it comes to the chart, also doesn't look great. We've seen that much higher, around 30 cents even at some point. Now we are trading below 3 cents. Currently sitting at 2.2 cents. Okay. Looks like don't wanna load. Let's try one more time. Yeah, there you go. So let's place the weekly chart. We were trading really high on that one. Currently sitting around this 2 cents and trying to build the consolidation phase, in my opinion. All right. So in that case, well, I'm going to look what's going to happen here. Hopefully, after the long period of consolidation, when everyone is boring, we are going to see attempt to go higher, some kind of the retest of 6, maybe 7 cents, pullback to retest this broken consolidation. Maybe we are going to see the pullback a little bit earlier. From here, we are going to go much higher. All right. So that's how I see the Streamr when it comes to the chart. The next one is a very one of my best picks for the 2023. Again, do your own homework, do your own research. Is a Gala. At the very beginning, it was the Gala Games only. Currently, we have Gala Film and Gala Music as well. The token of the Gala, unfortunately, as the others, is not performing very well. So it's time to look for some kind of the consolidation before you are going to try to jump. We are trading below 2 cents currently, and there are no signs of the consolidation. The very interesting thing happened lately is that well, the usual style of the Gala, they done something but haven't really made the public announcement publicly, right? So they finished the Geary blockchain, and well, that's gonna be very interesting because it's going to be the games are going to operate on the blockchain, and where the Gala is going to be the gas token for the layer 1, right? So that's quite important. Plenty of games developed and ready to start. The thing related to music and Gala Film, there are big names like Snoop Dogg, like Bianchi, who are partnering with Gala. So I see at some point consolidation when it comes to the Gala chart, and finally moving higher. Just to mention that the top we've seen was well above 50 cents at some point for Gala, as high as almost 80, right? Since then, as you can see, strong rejection, but that's what the bear market is usually bring to us. So that's how I see the things related to Gala. That's my top 3 picks. I have 2 more for you, but those 2 are a little bit different. So I'm going to just mention about them. The first one is a Ripple. We are not going to discuss in details. Probably all of you already know Ripple. Here we not only need the turnaround when it comes to the crypto market. Here we need to have some positive settlement with SEC, some signs of the possible positive settlement with the SEC in favor of Ripple. That could be the case to try to belong, not earlier, right? I think as long as there are no any kind of the sign of the possible positive settlement, I would skip that Ripple trade. On the contrary, we might during 2023, at the beginning of 2023, we might see this deepened recession, right? But and everything going down. But if we are going to get the information that really Ripple is very close to that positive settlement, that could be the turnaround for the whole crypto space. So it's worth to watch from that perspective as well. And the last one is a meme coin, Dogecoin. And again, I don't need the crypto market turnaround. I need something more because we've seen some pump and dump when it comes to the Dogecoin when the Elon Musk took over Twitter. So there were some rumors that finally Dogecoin might have some utility. So we need more shilling from the Elon Musk side, and really, if it's possible, to get some information if Dogecoin might get some kind of utility in relation to Twitter or other Elon Musk project. Guys, do your own research, do your own homework. This video has educational purpose only. It was just my idea what I'm going to look for when it comes to 2023. Wish you great next trading session. See you around, take care, and goodbye.